Hey guys, in this video I will show you all burgers recipes and grow a garden. Quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. So today we'll get a normal burger here, or legendary burger. Basically it's one pepper, corn and tomato, and also there is a second option, two bell peppers and violet corn. If you want to get mythical, there is options for you here. If you want to get divine, there is options here, and prismatic as well. I will leave the website of this video below, so you can easily get all the recipes here if you want to. And now let's get back to cooking. So first of all, open a backpack, and then you need to put one pepper. Then you need to put one corn. Then you need to put one tomato. And then you just need to press cook. And in our case, we need to wait for 6 minutes. And after time has passed, you just need to go to near the pot and then get your food. And it will be in your inventory. You just need to look for burger here. And yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.